Good morning, everyone. It's Kitty Grand Central here. There's Marty. Morris is up top. You know he's going to jump down and then run back up. That's what he does. He's so cute. Hi, Morris. Hi, Morris. Hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Good morning. We've had a couple of drops of rain this morning. Nothing a lot. Don had a 8:30 meeting and we got up late because I'm not going on the Tuesday rounds, and he hasn't. I'm going to go set up the inflatables. He didn't have time to do that. If you're noticing they're down, that's why. Well, I didn't realize we were going to be so cloudy today. We had a couple of drops of liquid from the sky, but nothing to write home about. Didn't cover the ground or anything. I checked on a bunch of my plants this morning, and for the most part they still seem pretty wet enough, but I watered one or two things maybe I shouldn't have. I gotta check on these down here today or tomorrow, but yeah, so not sure what we're into today. Like I said, I had to see if Johnny wakes up feeling better. You know, Don's got like 6 meetings. He said we might can go to the gym after 2, because when we didn't go yesterday, we said we'd go today, but I don't know how that's working out for him. We'll just have to see. Hey, Gray. Hi, good morning. It helps when Johnny's in here, right? Then you don't have to go hide. Or maybe there just weren't any loud noises this morning. Good morning, sweetheart. How sweet is that? Morris is up there sleeping with Marty, and they're just enjoying the sun. That pad dries out really quick, and so it shouldn't be wet or anything. So we told Robot to take us to PetSmart, and Robot blew right past the Walmart PetSmart shopping center, and I guess it's sort of trying to U-turn itself around, but this was what it planned to do from the beginning. Yeah. This isn't just because it made a mistake. It's actually
the route was planned wrong.
The route was just planned wrong. Or maybe it thought this was faster. I mean, there was gridlock up at the intersection by the Burger King and the Taekwondo. Maybe it thought this was going to be faster than making a left turn to get into PetSmart. Our real-time decision making is that it wasn't faster. It was just weird, but I don't know. It's like it avoided making a left turn, so it did this weird gyration down there to the circle.
Well, but it ended up having to make an easier left turn. But
yeah, I don't know. That was just really weird. So Dirty Tesla's got the .2 version now. Let's see. It's going to totally see the pedestrian, and be careful here because these cars are great with people. Was saying he's on the .2 now, which we don't have yet. Oh, great. Now it's going to take us back behind the Walmart. The only time I ever came back here, it's pretty sad. Because if you come back here at nighttime and you're quiet, there's lots of kitties roaming without a family back here. Probably some from the apartment complex that come over now, but at nighttime, in amongst these pallets and whatever, there's all kinds of cats living back here without proper care and people. And I know there's people that come out and feed some of the colony cats and spay and neuter, but it's just really still, they'll live underneath these trailers and in the bins, and it's sad. And it's like this behind every shopping center in America. And it's just a horrible thing that we've allowed to happen. But that's, a conversation for another day. I saved one cat from the wasp. So this is where it's going to park for PetSmart, is back here on the back side. Johnny, why are you letting it do it? Donnie, I can't. See, seriously, it thinks we're now at PetSmart, and technically this is the PetSmart entrance, but it might
right there, 9:55.
It might would have wanted to have taken us to the front door of the PetSmart.
You didn't work. You weren't specific. The computer did exactly what it told you to. You said take it to PetSmart at 9:55.
Anyway, what I was going to say about Dirty Tesla was Chris said that he had the worst drive yet on version 14, period, and it was all mapping issues like crap like we just experienced. And what Don and I were saying on, version 12, they would get the map sorted out, and some of these other, navigational things in our experience with FSD would be a lot better. So anyway, Don's going to get me back out here to PetSmart. Well, it's time to do this skirt on this side. On this side. That's bags 14, 15, 16, and 17. Hopefully I have time to do that tonight. I think there's 24 bags total, so there's, realistically 2 more nights after tonight. It's not a big deal if it's not done by Christmas. It's not. Well, I'm done with bag 17. This lower side, these 3 branch areas were done today. This was what I did, was it yesterday? Or the day before, I guess. It's coming along good. I think there's like 7 bags left, 18 through 24. So, yeah,